Hokkaido is the northernmost island in Japan and famous for its ski areas. There are a lot more to see in Hokkaido. Let's start from Hokkaido. Hokkaido is one of the main cities in Hokkaido and it is famous for its seafood. You can also visit Mount Hokkaido, which is reachable via a gondola and it offers a dramatic nighttime views. Don't miss Odori Park Winter Illumination in Sapporo if you are visiting Hokkaido in winter time. Odori Park is walking distance from Sapporo station and it is very convenient to reach. This is a very popular winter event in Sapporo. Enjoy a bit of Europe touch in Sapporo in this German Christmas market. This is a German-like market in Sapporo city near Odori Park. You can enjoy walking through the stalls filled with Christmas items and food. Historical village of Hokkaido is an open-air museum in Sapporo. With historical buildings and indoor features, it recreates the industries and lifestyle of Hokkaido 100 years ago. They also have an indoor museum and you can take a short bus ride from Shinrin-kon station that goes to both indoor and outdoor museums. Visit a ski resort. Hokkaido is well known for its ski resort areas like Furano, Tomamu, and Niseko. You can select a resort that matches your budget and activities you would like to take. Niigiri Terrace is a set of timber cottages and workshops filled with handcrafts. The best time would be 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. visit time. It's around 350-meter walk from New Furano Prince Hotel. You can take a shuttle bus bound to New Furano Prince Hotel from Furano station. Don't forget to visit Asahama Zoo. We loved the penguins and dancing hippo waves. They also have penguin walks during the winter, but this depends on the weather. You can buy tickets to Asahama Zoo at Asahikawa train station tourist information center and catch the bus number 41 to come to Asahikawa Zoo. Many thanks to joining me in this video. I have attached all the information to each attraction in the description. See you next time. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe.